Hello dear friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Free Code and Tech. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to upgrade Flutter in your computer. So first of all you have to open CMD. Let's go to CMD here. Type here CMD. Then pressing enter on your keyboard, and here we can see we have to flow the command. First of all I have to write here Flutter channel master. Then pressing enter. Then I have to write here Flutter upgrade. Then pressing enter. After we can see your Flutter checkout has local changes that would be erased by your upgrading. If you want to keep these changes, it is recommended that you test them via git tests, or else commit the changes to a local branch. If it is okay to remove local changes, then rerun this command with --force. If we see that this comment, we have to write here Flutter upgrade --force. Then what we will see, we can see the Flutter is upgrading. We have to wait here a little bit. We can see checking .stk version, downloading .stk from Flutter engine --. We can see building Flutter tool and running pub upgrade. So here upgrading. Again here we can see upgrading engine, downloading Android. Here we can see the latest version is downloading here for 64-bit. Here we can see Flutter is completed to a latest version. If we write here again a Flutter upgrade, here we can see the Flutter is already up to date on Channel Master. So here we can see the Flutter is upgraded. So by this way we can upgrade Flutter. Thank you so much for watching this video.